If you are a woman wondering, why do I pee when I sneeze? And you want help, you are in the right place. I'm Courtney Verdon, pelvic floor expert. So, urinary incontinence is really prevalent in women. It affects about 50% of adult women, and so many are living with the condition. They're altering their daily life around it. And a lot of the women who have this have never even been pregnant, thinking, what is going on? So it is prevalent after pregnancy, but all women can get bladder leakage. So whether you are a young girl, a lot of young girls even have it, or an older woman, really understanding urinary incontinence is important and the treatment options that are available for you.